good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Naturally Ray, or you can just call me Ray. Now, if you know you watch my videos back to back to back to back and have not subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos where I talk about health, fitness and lifestyle. So happy Thanksgiving! And yes, I am Trini and my family celebrates Thanksgiving. We've actually been celebrating Thanksgiving since I was a child, so like a really long time. But today is a little different. I'm doing my what I eat in a day video, but it's more about, I guess, a Thanksgiving edition. Now, usually when I do these videos, I count calories because you all know I'm on my weight loss journey. So of course I have to be in a calorie deficit. So I usually show you all how much calories I eat, the proteins that I eat, and actually calculate it. But today is different. I am just taking time to celebrate the holidays, celebrate the season, and I just want to make that note. Yes, I'm on a weight loss journey, and if you are on a weight loss journey, it is okay to just take time, spend with your friends, spend with your family, and don't stress about what you're eating for Thanksgiving or what you're eating for Christmas, or the Christmas season. Now, of course, you don't want to overdo it, you don't want to overindulge so that you actually put on a lot of weight during the Christmas season. But I would just say be mindful. Like earlier when it is I made breakfast, you all know I like to have a really big breakfast, but because I know for dinner later I will be eating a variety of foods, I decided, okay, just be mindful of, you know, what I eat for breakfast, eat a little bit for lunch. I'm not doing anything major at all because yeah, I may go over my daily calories, but it's okay. It's not going to throw me off for the rest of the year or even the rest of the week. I can just easily get back on track. Tomorrow I will be quite fine. So that's just something to be mindful of. It's really gloomy. I do have a couple things that I need to get done, like some last minute things, so I'm gonna get that done and then I'll come back and show you all lunch. So I'm back. It didn't really take me much time to do what I had to do, but y'all, it is raining now and I'm like, no. I was actually looking at my hair and it's getting like really puffy. Now, I really like when my hair is voluminous but it's really big, but there are certain parts that I don't really like how the twists come out. So I think more than likely what I'll do is like retwist some parts, and I could always sit under my hooded dryer, so by the time dinner time comes it would be fine. At least I think it would be fine. But yeah, but for lunch also I usually, so two things. I usually don't buy the burger buns. You all know I usually buy the sourdough bread, but the buns is what I had, so that's what I use. And then secondly, I usually don't buy lettuce, but when I looked at the spinach in the grocery, I didn't really like how they were looking, so I bought the lettuce. And yes, lettuce doesn't really have as much of the nutrients that spinach would have, but I'm only eating it for a couple of days. I'll buy spinach soon. I will be quite fine. I didn't want to eat anything that is too how should I say, like filling, because I know I'm gonna eat a lot for dinner. Well, Definitely it's a lot more unusual. My whole aim is to make sure that I don't overindulge. I want to be able to eat everything, obviously, like I said before, enjoy time with your friends, your family, but just don't overindulge, but you can still enjoy the things that you like to eat. For dinner later, I am making my lasagna. I have been making lasagna for like all the Thanksgiving every single year. I would say for over a decade, actually, like maybe over 15 years, so a very long time. It's not my recipe, I got it online, but I will leave it in the description box if it is that you want to make the same thing. I may show little clips of it in terms of when I'm making it, and I usually don't like film and put my friends and my family on my YouTube, but I will see, maybe I will show you all some of the I guess the dishes and the food for Thanksgiving, and I don't know how it goes, but I may take you all with me a little bit there. much later and I'm almost ready to head out. And y'all, I don't know what is happening with my camera. I hope everything looks good here. I mean, I look okay on my viewfinder, but I just threw on my camera like I was like rushing. I finished my lasagna. This apartment smells so good, y'all. I'm so excited to head out, but I really hope that everything goes good with my camera. I may carry it, but usually I don't post any of my friends and family in any of my vlogs or anything like that. I may decide to just get some clips of the food and we'll see what else. But yeah, I'm really excited to head out and I really hope that everything is okay with this camera.